Do you? Well, a flash flood, right? Could be a flood. I don't think it's gonna be a flush flood. It could be. It's raining hard. I want to be in the street when a car passes by and ride upon that on that puddle and splash me. I don't want to be in the street. Look at all that rain. That's a lot of rain. Look at the trees. The rain is hiding the trees behind it. Look at that. Look at the trees. A lot of rain. Those cars will splash in the rain on the street as they go by. I hate to cross the street with a car go out, splashing these rain, the rain on the street. I don't want to be there. Oh, look at that splash. You see that splash? It's really raining out there. Look at that puddle. How it's moving. Wow, it's a lot. Look at all that. I don't want to be in the street walking right now. Some people, you see them running in the street, walking down the street, up the street. I want to be there. I don't want to be in their shoes. A lot of rain. Don't want to be them. I'm not going out. I'm not going out.